Hi everyone. In this video, I am explaining you about how to take the mock examination and what are all the important aspects of the mock examination for the GATE preparation. So if you go to Google and search for GATE 2020, so that is the previous year. So in that, you will find the mock test. That is very helpful for you to prepare for the GATE examination. So you can go to GATE 2020. And here you can see this mock exam for practice. You can choose any subject of your interest. So let's say, since I am from electrical background, I am taking the electrical subject. So this screen is same as the screen that appears in the examination. So here you will become much more comfortable in taking the examination. So that is the advantage of taking the mock examination. So here all you need to do is just you enter the credentials. So here in this case, no need to enter anything, just enter the sign in. Now you will navigate into the examination page. So it will take some time to load. So now you can see the instructions. So here the duration of the examination is 180 minutes. So and the clock is visible and you have these five options. So these are all important for you to take the examination. So if you didn't answer any questions, it appears as shown like this. So something like a white color symbol. So one. So that you haven't answered the question. And in the second, you can see. So that is a little bit red color. So it is the answer that you have not answered that question. And the green color means you have answered the question. And the fourth option, blue color. That is, you have not answered the question, but you have marked it for the review purpose. So if you have some doubt, then you can mark it for the review question. And the fifth question, the question answered and marked for the review. So here you have chosen the option and then you have marked for the review. So these five are important that I'm going to explain you in the exam question paper. So after that, just give the next. So these are all just the instructions. And just agree the terms and conditions. And I am ready to begin. So this is how the question paper window looks like. So here you are having the time which is left. So gate is for 3 hours duration. So 3 hours means it is equal to 180 minutes. So in that 180 minutes, the countdown timer will start counting the duration. So it keeps on reducing and finally it reaches to 0. So by that time, you have to answer the questions. And then here you can see we are having two sections. So one is the general aptitude and another is the subject specific. So if you want to answer the general aptitude question, so there will be 10 questions in the general aptitude. So that you can answer it by using this general aptitude tab, and you are having subject specific also. So if you want to answer the subject specific, you can answer it by using this tab. So that is the pattern. And then if you want to see the entire question paper, so here you will be having the question paper tab. So if you click on this, the entire question paper appears. So here you can see and you can select the easiest question. So if you are a little bit in a confusion state, so if you want to answer the easiest one, all you need to do is you just scroll down, and if something you found it easy, so here we are having this K-map. So this is almost an easiest question. So if you want to answer this kind of question, so this is a 35th question. So just you can find the question here and you can navigate here. So here you just click on this electrical engineering and you come down to the 35th question. So click on this. So here appears that question and you can straight away click the answer. If you know the answer, you can select the answer. The scribble pad is given for you. So by using that, you can find out the answer and you can answer the question here. So now coming to the this palette. So what we are having? See, I have viewed the first question, but I haven't answered. That's why it is showing in this color. The first question, you can observe it. So now I will go to the same question. And let's say I will give some answer. And then I will click on save and next. So now you can see the color has been changed. Now it is the green color. So this shows that you have answered this question and you have clicked on the save and next button. So now it is showing the second question. So now I will mark this question for the mark for review. So now you can observe the color has been changed to blue color. So here you can see how this color is going to change. So here in the third question, what I will do is I will click on one of the answer and then I will click on the mark for review and next. So now you can see the symbol. So it is showing that you have answered. So that is showing in the green color, but you have clicked on the review also. So in this case, what happens? So now I will move on to next questions. So like that. After 180 minutes, it will automatically take your answers. So now if you have chosen it for you have selected. So let's see the third question. So you had clicked on the heat equation and you have marked it for the review. So now in this case, what happens means the heat equation, this answer is automatically taken by the computer. So if you want this answer should not be taken by the computer, then you have to clear the response. So now you can see the third question is it is clear response. So none of the answers are selected. Why it is important? Because there will be negative marking in the gate examination. So if the wrong answer means you are going to lose some mark. So this is how you can prepare for the gate examination. Another important thing is the calculator. So in this area, you will find the calculator. So this calculator looks like this. So if you keep on using this calculator, you will become comfortable with doing the calculation. So if you want to multiply 4 times 5, then you can do it like this. So if you want to take the reciprocal of the answer, just click on the 1 by x and each time you can press the C. So that clears the uh, content in the calculator. So this is for your preparation of the gate examination. Thank you all.